Good morning, students. The State's Council of Ministers. Continuation. Civics Lesson 1. The working of the state government. After being elected to the Legislative Assembly, the MLAs are expected to regularly participate in its sittings. The Legislative Assembly meets 2 or 3 times in a year. The main duty of the Legislative Assembly is to make laws for the state. It can make law on the subjects mentioned in the state list and the concurrent list. However, during the state emergency, it cannot exercise its legislative power. The Assembly has control over the State Council of Ministers. The State Council of Ministers are responsible or answerable to the Assembly for its activities. The Assembly may pass a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers and bring its downfall if it is not satisfied with the performance of the Council of Ministers. No confidence means Nambikkailla Tirmanam. The Legislative Assembly has control over the finances of the state. A money bill can be introduced only in the Assembly. The government cannot impose or increase and lower or withdraw any tax without the approval of the Assembly. The elected members of the Legislative Assembly can take part in the election of the President of India, and all members can take part in the election of the members of the Rajya Sabha from the state. The Assembly also takes part in the amendment of the Constitution on certain matters. So the government has 3 basic functions: making laws, executing laws and ensuring justice. சட்டத்தை இயற்றுவது, அதை நிறைவேற்றுவது and மக்களுக்கு சம நீதி வாங்கி தருவது. How laws are made in state government. Several kinds of rules and laws have been made for all people of our country. For instance, there is a law that you cannot keep a gun without having a license for it, or that women cannot marry before the age of 18 years old and men cannot marry before the age of 21 years. These rules and laws have not been made just like that. People elected their government who thought carefully before making such laws. A lot of such laws are made by the state and central government. In the Legislative Assembly meetings, MLAs discuss a number of topics like public works, education, law and order, and various problems faced by the state. The MLAs can ask questions to know the activities of the ministries, which the concerned ministers have to answer. The Legislative Assembly makes laws on certain issues. The process of lawmaking as follows. Look at this. This is how a bill, like laws, becomes a act. A bill. The bill is called in Tamil Satta Masoda. So bill is presented in the Legislative Assembly. Then debates and discussions take place on it. Then changes can be made in the bill. Then if more than half of the MLAs vote in favor of the bill, it is said to be passed. So the bill needs to get assent of the governor to become an act. So the state legislature follows some procedure for passing an ordinary or a money bill like that of the parliament. In state legislatures also, the Legislative Assembly, which is the lower house, is more powerful than the Legislative Council, which is the upper house. Now, executing laws. It is the job of the State Council of Ministers to execute the law. The Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu is located at Chennai, here in St. George Fort. So the place where a state's legislative assembly is located and where its Council of Ministers function is called the capital of the state in Chennai. So the state government has several lakhs of government employees to execute the laws made by the legislative assembly. Collectors, tahsildars, block development officers, revenue officers, village administrative officers, policemen, teachers and doctors, etc. All of them are paid salaries by the state government. They have to follow the orders of the state government. Thank you, children.